In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Fire TV Stick 4K Select. So it's quite easy. You're going to take your remote control, you're going to press the home button. So we are all on this home screen. And then we're going to press the right side arrow. You're going to navigate until you select the cogwheel that is right over here. Select the cogwheel, go down, and we need to select My Fire TV. Once you're in this menu, you're going to go all the way down until you select Reset to Factory Defaults. Select this option. You are about to reset your Fire TV stick to its original factory settings. Your signing information and personal preferences will be lost, including all the apps that you have downloaded and all your other personal data. So select Reset once you're ready and wait. Okay, do not touch anything at this point. Just let the Fire TV stick do its thing, and we'll come back when this is done. So after about 3 minutes, the factory reset has been done. This is the screen you'll get, is the first display to set up the Fire TV Stick 4K Select once again.